Well, hello, modeling friends. It's Brian, and we are doing a Monday mail call. And we're saying thank you to our friend Thomas for this awesome plastic buzzard model shop card because this is so cool. Look at this up in here. You can see he's adding tube glue, Tube glue to the engine here. He's getting ready to smash it in there into the car body. Good color, by the way. I like that. So yeah, some card, Thomas. I really like it. And then I don't know what pattern that is in the background there, but it makes me think of wheat checks. Yeah, or actually shredded wheat, I should say. So I want to say thank you for the shop card, and I don't know if this will work. You guys could probably try pausing the video and see if you can scan that code right there, so you can go subscribe to his channel. Gee, I wonder where you got that idea from. Awesome card, sir. Thank you very much for the kind words in the back as well. Very much share your sentiment, and thank you for doing the shop card swap with us. It's always a pleasure to be doing that with guys in the community, so thank you again, sir. Now, on to more serious terms. We want to say a shout out to our friend Matthew Silverman, who has been in the hospital and is out now, but had suffered a stroke last week. I understand he is home now, and he is still weak, but recovering, and we hope that he is on the road to recovery with PT and everything else that they're going to have going on with that, possibly even speech therapy. So, Matthew, keep fighting. We're waiting for you to come back to the bench, sir. It'll be here when you are ready to come back. So I happen to know from personal experience that working with model building and stuff is an awesome way to help build up those fine motor skills. So we feel that you probably aren't too far from being back on the bench. So our thoughts and prayers are with you, my friend. Again, this isn't the video I wanted to do today because I wanted to do something like a recap that we had done for the Vegas show, but unfortunately we have a sick kid here in the house. No, we don't have children ourselves, but we borrow we borrow Linda's nieces and nephews once in a while. So we have a sick kid here in the house, and she's just unable to rest comfortably. So she's got double ear infection, practically deaf, and still wants to watch TikTok videos, which is why you're hearing the fan blowing in the background, because I'd rather listen to that. All right, one last thing before we get on the road, and that is we actually brought home some hardware from the Best of the West over there in Vegas. That was a fun trip. Wasn't too bad getting up there, wasn't too bad getting back, driving 5.5 hours, whatever. Not so bad. We were able to make phone calls to some other people that were on the road also, like our good friend John. We're like, hey, where are you? And he told us, I'm like, oh, you're 15 minutes behind us, watch out for such and such thing. He's like, oh, great. We're getting rained on. And we're like, we didn't. So, but it was really fun going up to Vegas and seeing nearly the entire Model Car Mafia crew up there. We hung out with those guys. We all wore our shirts, so that was kind of cool. I think we probably had the largest representation outside of the local Vegas guys there, and several of us brought home hardware. I got this one for the Tetanus Cab truck. And you might think, oh, yeah, third place. Okay, good job. No, you don't understand. The stuff that we were going up against was insane. Insane, I tell you. You'll have to watch the videos, but the things that I came in behind, I'm like, yes, I'm glad to be where I am at. So, everybody who is part of our crew that watches our videos, we want to say congratulations to. There was so many guys up there. I know personally that Chuck from Chuck's Hobby Spot got his steps in that day, going back and forth. I noticed he was sitting very, very close to the podium, so he didn't have to walk very far. But he went up there, I think, about eight or nine times to pick up awards. So congratulations to Chuck, because he was balling up there, as the kids like to say. And then our good friend Dave Bell, he had won some stuff. Our good friend Mark Hubbard won stuff. Johns Weber, I always talk about Johns Weber. He took home a couple of awards. I mean, it was and that's just the car stuff. There was also military aircraft, motorcycles, sci-fi, Gundam. I saw some of that Gundam stuff. I'm like, ooh, I'm getting ideas, type of thing. And then, let's see, there was ships. There was ships. But we got to bump into a couple of people we hadn't seen in a while, like my friend Marcus Furch. It was always good talking to him. We converse on Facebook once in a while and stuff, but we never have time to actually link up and hang out. So it's kind of fun to talk to him. Kind of sad you got to go all the way to Vegas in order to see somebody who's local, but that's how the cookie flops. So Speaking of cookies, I'm going to go indulge myself. You all have a great rest of your day. Hopefully you don't have any sick kids in the house, and we'll talk to you a little bit later on. Bye now.